Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 会 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. 会 This is a polyphone. It's pronounced as 会 means will, can. To meet. As 快 means accounting. Let's look at some examples. 会计 accountant, 会 can. For example, that accountant can cook. That accountant can cook. 那个会计会做饭。That accountant 那个会计会 can be able to do something. 做饭 cook. That accountant can cook. 那个会计会做饭。那个会计会做饭。Now follow me to write 会 in cursive. 会 will, can, 快 accounting, 会计 accountant. That accountant can cook. 那个会计会做饭。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 会. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel, please. Don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.